Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best pruning shears available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Felco Pruning Shears. The premium pruning clippers are constructed of forged aluminum handles and hardened steel blades. All pruner components can be replaced in this dependable model. This bypass pruner offers a large cutting capacity and well-balanced weight for optimal gardening. This high-performance pruner features a wire cutter for small wires and a sap groove to minimize the blade sticking. The Swiss-made plant cutter is optimal for medium-sized hands. The small branch trimmer has a 7.7-inch length 0.79-inch cutter diameter and has a 0.46 pound weight. It is ideal pruner for small pruning work such as grapevine shrubs and young trees. At number 6 we have Fiskars Pruning Shears. The versatile gardening tools are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning ergonomic features that help make it easier and more enjoyable to transform your outdoor space. The micro-tip blades cut all the way to the tip for clean, healthy cuts in tight spaces and stay sharp through heavy use. It works well for cutting and shaping flower stems, maintaining your herb garden and more to encourage overall plant health and appearance. At number 5 we have Easy Pruning Shears. Easy Cut's heavy-duty pruners are made with SK5 hardened carbon steel for superior edge retention. The ratcheting pruners feature an ergonomically engineered anti-slip cushioned handle with shock-absorbing pads for superior comfort. It is designed to reduce hand strain and fatigue. These secateurs work for medium and large-sized hands. With a 1.5 inches cutting capacity, these pruning snips easily tackle most any task. It is made with SK4 carbon hardened steel and a hard chrome finish. At number 4 we have Q-Yard Pruning Shears. This easy action spring action design gently opens blades after each cut to reduce hand strain. Lightweight aluminum construction. Ergonomic design soft grip handle offers added comfort and accommodates right and left-handed users. It is ideal for deadheading, trimming, shaping and other quick snips on small plants and bonsai. At number 3 we have Fiskars Pruning Shears. This pro-style pruner features adjustable blade tension to fit your hand strength and the toughness of the material you're cutting. Plus an angled cutting head that helps reduce wrist fatigue. It has a fully hardened precision ground steel blade, stays sharp. A low friction coating helps the blade resist rust and makes cutting even easier, and a built-in sap groove provides smooth operation. The replaceable stainless steel blade can cut branches up to 1 inch in diameter and features an integrated sap groove to keep the cutting action smooth and stick-free all season long. At number 2 we have Ryobi Pruning Shears. This bypass pruner offers a large cutting capacity and well-balanced weight for optimal gardening. This high-performance pruner features a wire cutter for small wires and a sap groove to minimize the blade sticking. The garden scissors have a revolving handle for extra comfort, and they are suitable for every type of pruning. With ergonomically designed cushioned shock absorber softens the cutting impact. The pruner features a rotating handle for increased comfort. At number 1 we have Ketic Pruning Shears. It is made of fully hardened, precision ground SK5 high carbon steel. Ketic electric pruner with LCD cutting times display will display the cutting times and the power remain. This professional cordless pruning shears blade is forged from SK5 high carbon steel. This electric branch cutter with brushless motor which save more energy and long lifespan. The 2 pieces 25 volts 2A with long working time can help to continuously cut about 6,000 times after being fully charged. It's normal that there may be oil in the blade when you receive the electric pruning shear. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best pruning shears for your need.